Bitcoin. After many years, the first distributed blockchain was conceptualized by an anonymous group or person using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. No one still knows his, her, or their identity. Satoshi Nakamoto published a white paper called Bitcoin, a peer-to-peer electronic cash system in 2008, describing the idea behind Bitcoin, electronic currency that is run on blockchain technology and that is not controlled by any central authority. The following year, in 2009, the concept was made a reality with the creation of Bitcoin. This marked the beginning of public blockchains and cryptocurrencies. Fun fact: there are people who vigorously investigate the origin of Satoshi Nakamoto and who it is. It has gone as far as major media outlets claiming they have found out who the inventor was. The most famous case was when Newsweek claimed that a man by the name of Dorian Nakamoto is Satoshi, which disrupted the man's personal life and caused him to sue Newsweek. There are also claims that the inventor of BitGold, Nick Szabo, is Satoshi Nakamoto because the two share a similar writing style, use the same operating systems, etc.